Well, here my bike check today. I'm rocking the Fit Street 1 frame, the Odyssey Aitken seat. I have the Fit FAF tire in the back, and I got the Eastern tire in the front. I'm rocking the Fit PC pedals with the Eastern shaft cranks. Got me a Shadow Conspiracy chain and an Eastern Medusa sprocket. Got a stolen thermalite peg, the lightest plastic peg ever. If you don't have it, you're not a biker. Then we got the most bent rim in the world, the nitrous double shot. Then we got right here, we got the Alienation Black Sheep. I mean, it's blue, dude. Why is it called Black Sheep?
Who cares?
And then we're rocking the bars, you know.
S&M slams?
Yeah, dude. All day. Then I'm rocking the ODI long necks. ODI long necks, man. Best grips. I've had these things for like a few months. Still got them going. Getting the stolen Convict V2 stem. And then I got some Primo Kamikaze forks. I mean, like, dude, who would not want this bike? That's me.